How to log in to BPP University. So if you want to log into BPP University, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for BPP University login. Once you've searched, here you will have your login page under your BPP University. So BPP simply means Business Professional People. So if you want to log into Business Professional People University, then simply click on the login search, which is on the first. And now you can simply accept, and here it will take you to the login page. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for register, which is on the right side, so that you can fill this form and you can register your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, go for the login page, and here you need to enter your email address. So enter your email address on the first blank, and once you enter your email address, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can simply go for forgot password, which is on the bottom of your screen, so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then enter your password. And once you enter your password, click on login. And after clicking on login, if your information is correct, like your login email and your password, then you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your BPP University account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.